Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to create custom group invite link on Telegram. I was setting up a Telegram group recently and wanted a cleaner way to invite people instead of just sending the same generic link over and over. That's when I found out you can actually create custom invite links, which is way more useful than it sounds. I opened a group, tapped the group name and at the top, then went into the add members and selected invite via link. From there, I'll tap Manage Invite Links, which is where things get interesting. Instead of using the default link, I created a new invite link and customize it. You can set things like how long the link stays active, limit how many people can join with it, or even require admin approval before someone gets in. I even gave the link a name so you could track where people are coming from. Once I hit create, the link was ready to share. Honestly, it makes managing invites feel way more organized, especially if you're running a larger group. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.